If you believe you have been unfairly banned from ESPN+, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the appeal process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant details regarding your account, including your username, email address associated with the account, and any communication you received about the ban. This information will be crucial for your appeal. Step 2. Review terms of service. Read through ESPN+'s terms of service and community guidelines to understand the reasons that could lead to a ban. This will help you formulate your appeal and address any specific violations mentioned in your ban notice. Step 3. Contact customer support. Visit the ESPN+ Help Center and locate the customer support section. Use the provided contact methods such as email or live chat to reach out to their support team regarding your ban. Step 4. Write your appeal. Compose a clear and concise appeal letter. Explain why you believe the ban is unjust, provide any supporting evidence, and express your willingness to comply with the platform's rules moving forward. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, wait for a response. If you do not hear back within a reasonable time frame, follow up with customer support to check on the status of your appeal. In conclusion, appealing a ban on ESPN+ requires careful preparation and communication. By following these steps, you can present your case effectively and increase your chances of a successful resolution.